Hi everyone, it's Graham here with another quick review for you. So this is my FitBit 6, but I'm not going to do a review of the actual Fitbit. I want to tell you about the strap that comes with it. So this is a strap that comes with it. It's sort of plasticky, rubbery type material, silicone. And I found that when I was wearing it, I got a rash on my wrist, a sort of itchy red rash, because it made me sort of sweat underneath. So I tried loosening it, and I tried putting it on the other wrist and things like that, but it wasn't satisfactory really. So I thought I'd try and get another strap for it. So that's what I did. I had a look on Amazon, and I found a sort of another strap, which I'll tell you about now. So this is the new strap that I bought. It's metallic, but it's breathable as well. It's also magnetic, very easy to put on. It's compatible with Fitbit 5 and Fitbit 6, so if you've got either one of those, it is compatible with it. So what I did was I took off the old strap, which is very easy to do if I can do it with one hand. There's a little clip under there. No, I can't. Oh, I can. So that clips off, and that clips off, and then the new strap just clips into the same place. So that's the little connector there, so it fits onto the same place. I'll need two hands to do this, so I'll just do that quick. So all you do, I've got my camera lady filming this now, so it's easier for me. All you do is just clip it into there, and it just literally clips on. So it's very easy. That goes on there like that, and then it's just a matter of putting it on your wrist, tightening it up. So it is actually magnetic, this is, and so it just, there's no buckle or anything like that. That just magnetically stops on there like that. So there we are. It's breathable, so there's minute little holes in there. So it is breathable, and you won't get a rash with this, or at least I've been wearing this now for a couple of weeks, and I've not had a rash at all. So I thought that was really good. It's on Amazon, so I will put a link. You can adjust it, by the way, obviously. You know, if you've got a bigger wrist or a smaller wrist, it will adjust. Yeah, so it's on Amazon. I'll put a link on the description below this video, so if you want to have a look at that, you can do. It's called, well, it's just called Watch Band. I'm not sure. I think it's actually made in China. I'm not sure of the company name, but you'll see that in the link anyway. It's made in China. There's not much to it, and it's reasonably cheap. So I'll put a link on the description below, and you can have a look at that. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks again for watching and listening, and we hope to see you on the next video. Cheers for now.